Very good morning, students. I, Asad, welcome you to study from home. Today I am going to explain you our chapter, which is combined with previous chapter, and that is human environment interactions, the tropical and subtropical region. Now, what is human environment? As I told you, I'll explain you this drawing, this figure, but let me explain this title, that human environment. Now, what is human environment? Anything that is surrounds our day-to-day life, or anything that is surround us, it is called human environment, right? And environment, human-made environment or man-made environment, and natural environment, right? Land, water, rocks, hill stations are natural environment, whereas buildings, roads, park, railway station, bus station, these are man-made environment. So human environment can be divided into two. One is natural and another is man-made. Now, interactions. What is interactions? Interactions means we interact, we try to adjust, or we try to adapt how we react in a particular environment. For example, in a cold days or in a winter, how we deal with this season or how we interact this season, right? So why interaction? Just because of survival of human environment, interaction is necessary, right? The tropical and subtropical region. Now, subtropical. Let me tell you, tropical. These points are tropical region on the globe, and these are subtropical, right? The reason, the climate of subtropical region is wet winter, and this rain is heavy rain, right? Now, let me tell you the story regarding this chapter, and that will make you understand more about this human interaction. In this chapter 8, in the beginning of the chapter, there is a story of a girl which was very excited just because of her uncle came to her home after a long time, and her uncle was a wildlife photographer. So her uncle Srikant developed or give the idea of wildlife, okay, and natural environment, okay. He gave an inception of wildlife and natural and forest and all. So the girl from the childhood, from the very early age, she developed interest in wildlife as well as in natural environment. Right now I don't have this PowerPoint presentation, but in my next class I will definitely show you pictures of different wildlife, okay, according to the climatic condition, okay. Wildlife of Rajasthan, wildlife of Arunachal Pradesh, wildlife of Jammu Kashmir, these are very different from each other. Why? Because Rajasthan, Jammu Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh is lie in a different region. Their climatic condition is totally different from each other. Now, Earth is a natural terrarium, and its characteristics are different due to the different climate, right? Different climate. It's the characteristics of Earth is very different. For example, North Pole and South Pole. These two poles, these two regions are called freeze zone. Why? Because sun rays vertically here in North Pole and South Pole. and this equatorial region is hot and humid type of climatic condition. But apart from all this latitude, altitude, okay, the distance from sea level, also the effect of climatic condition of particular area. Climate, location, okay, location and altitude condition. That's why Earth is full of uneven structure. For example, dry desert, frozen land, and hot, wet rainforest. Dry desert, okay, for example, Sahara desert, Thar desert, okay, run of Kutch. These are dry desert, as well as we have a cold and dry desert, that is called Leh and Ladakh, right? In 5th class we learn, I explain in 5th class. Frozen land, this are frozen land. Hot, wet rainforest means 24/7, means 24 hours, 7 days. We can say throughout the year those forest faces, those forests experience rainfall, right? 400 to 500 inches rainfall in the year, and they don't shed their leaves in particular season. That's why they appear as a green. So they are called rainforest or evergreen rainforest. Now, life in Amazon basin. Introduction already I done. Now, life in Amazon basin. Amazon lies somewhere here on globe. The Amazon basin lies in a tropical region very close to equator, between 10 north and 10 south. So it is referred to as equatorial region just because of its location, right? 10 north and 10 south. It is known as an equatorial region just because of it locates in an equatorial region. Now, what is beauty of Amazon basin? The beauty of Amazon basin is Amazon, the Amazon river. River Amazon flow through the region. It flows from mountain to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. The Amazon river was discovered by a Spanish explorer. It is the largest river basin in the world. So Amazon basin form delta, as well as it has so many tributary. That's why Amazon river is a very important river, as well as Amazon river form a very thick, dense forest, as well as evergreen forest, right? And you would find different species, different wildlife, different bird, animal, as well as different types of reptile, like snake, okay, in Amazon forest, anaconda, very unique animal. So and that was discovered by Spanish explorer. During the quest of the discovery, they were attacked by the group of local tribe. So it was forcefully they have to move from their place to another place, and just because of that movement, Spanish explorers discovered this Amazon basin. I will give you the picture of Amazon basin, right, in my next class. But this is all for today. I'll explain you more about Amazon basin and life in Amazon basin, different animal and birds in Amazon basin, right, in my next class. Till then, thank you very much.